How's it going, guys? This is Victor with the BOB Trading Team. So I'm not going to be in front of my computer today, but I still wanted to make a video. I actually had a red day today, and I did a few things wrong. I don't want to be one of those guys that only makes videos when we have green days, so I want to be completely transparent. So today, there were two tickers that were gaining or gapping up. One was IINN, and the other one was ENSC. Forgive me if I'm wrong, I'm not in front of the computer, but I'm pretty sure those were two tickers. I looked at them and I charted them in the normal way that I normally do, but I made a pretty big mistake and it was costly. So the two stocks were gapping up and I decided I liked ENSC more than I liked IINN. And the problem that I made is when I came in and I looked at the volume with ENSC, it was doing 15 million volume at 8 o'clock, which is normally a good day for a low flow stock. But this company normally does about 17 million a day. So they were not having, they didn't have heavy volume. They had light volume. So when I seen them and the price was increasing, I jumped in with momentum. I got a bad feel at I think $5.77. And then when the price started going down, I looked at it a little closer and I noticed that it didn't have the right volume that we look for. So me, knowing this, I should have cut my loss right then and there and just called it a day. But I made another mistake. I tried to lower my average. It's something you never should, well, I ain't gonna say you should never do it, but I definitely shouldn't have done it on this ticker. So I lowered my average by buying another 200 shares. So now I'm sitting in this ticker with 600 shares. And while I'm sitting in this ticker, IINN is just gapping. It's moving rapidly. It's going to the moon, and I'm over here losing money by the second. So ENSC starts to go up a little bit. My loss is manageable. I'm at a decent number where it's like I can cut this loss and just come back another day. But for some reason, call it FOMO or whatever, I couldn't cut the loss, and I didn't. And then it hit a dramatic drop, and I ended up losing about 2 days worth of good trading. And I won't be trading tomorrow, Friday. I have some other family things to do. So I'm gonna end this week on a red note. I did a few things wrong today, and they ended up costing me. What was I gonna say? It's a part of the game, though. You want to learn from your mistakes. It started off as an honest mistake, and then like the volume, that was just an honest mistake. That can happen to anybody. But lowering my average, that was on me. Not respecting the stop loss, that was also on me. And not knowing when to call it a quit, that was all on me. So today was a red day. What I should have done to make this a better trade was once I noticed that the volume wasn't right, instead of lowering my average, I should just cut it, call it a loss, turn my attention to IINN and try to regain some of my losses. Instead, I doubled down on ENSC, which was the wrong choice today. And hopefully this video helps somebody. If you have any questions, feel free to email us or leave comments at the bottom of this video, and we will try to respond. If you have any, if you want to know how we trade, you can look at our previous videos, or you can look at the link in the bottom of our previous videos, and it'll take you to our website where it talks about the strategies that we use and how we find the stocks to trade. So this is Victor, and I'm going to go ahead and end this video now. Thanks.